In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a repository on GitHub. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, preserving the state of a repository can be incredibly helpful for various reasons, from saving storage space to tidying up your list of repositories. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to efficiently archive a repository in just a few minutes. Let's kick things off by opening up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the process is the same across the board. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type in GitHub. Hit Enter, and you should see GitHub's homepage as one of the top results. Click on the link to get started. If you already have a GitHub account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to GitHub, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, the process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and you'll be set to go. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the repository you want to archive. The repository is the main hub for your project, containing all the files and version history. Navigate to the Repositories section, which you can usually find on the left side of your dashboard. Once there, scroll through your list of repositories until you locate the one you wish to archive. Click on it to open the repository page. With the repository open, direct your attention to the top of the page. You should see a series of tabs. Locate the one labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can adjust various settings for your repository. Now, scroll down this page until you reach a section marked Danger Zone. This area is where GitHub allows you to make substantial changes to your repository. It's called the Danger Zone for a reason, so always make sure you know what you're doing before proceeding. In this section, you'll find the option to archive your repository. Click on Archive this repository. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. Confirming will place your repository in an archived state, meaning it'll become read-only. Don't worry, archiving doesn't delete your files. It simply locks the repository to prevent further changes. And there you have it. You've successfully archived your repository on GitHub. This is a powerful tool to keep your workspace organized and efficient. If you need to unarchive the repository in the future, you can always go back and reverse this process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.